Hello, in this episode I'll show you how to upload a document template. A document template is actually one set of documents. It can be Word, Excel, PowerPoint that you want to reuse, and not only to upload it where every person that uses it will change it. So let's go to a document library. I currently have two templates. One is Word and the other is PowerPoint. So I'll go to the new and add template, and let's upload the Word document. And actually you see nothing happened. We don't see it in the document library because it keeps it in the back end. So, but if I open the new, now I see the street address here. So actually what we can do is edit the new menu, and we can deactivate the things that are not relevant. So I can keep only the template that I want. So let's see. Now it's really good. Okay, the link is really... Now another way to upload the template is not through the new, but through the upload. Here we can upload a single file, folder, and a template. Actually it brings to the same place. Now I'll upload the PowerPoint, and if I go to new, now we see only the templates. Now what happens is when we click on the templates, it opens up the document in the Word Online. Now what can happen is if we have a logo or banner, sometimes we won't see it. In this case I see it did work, but I know lots of cases where all of a sudden it didn't work. But what we can do in this case is to click the editing and open in the desktop, and this actually opens on the desktop document. Let's see. Okay, it's asked me to log in, so we'll ignore this in this point. What we can do, actually, it stores it directly in the library, but the default is a document, so we can go here and we can change it. So let's call this fax doc, and if I click here and go back, I'll see that the document fax docs is here. Same thing is for PowerPoint. It open up the PowerPoint. I can do some changes and say welcome, and I can come here and change the name, presentation for the boss. And actually I can go back and see what's happening, and I see here the two documents, and the template has not been changed. Now what we can do here in the edit, we can actually go here, and in the template there's three dots, so we can actually move it up or even edit or change the content type. In this case we didn't use it content type. I want to remind you, currently I'm using a docx. In the past for templates you would do doct or something like that. Let's see, let's test it. But actually if I take this document and save it as a template, it will give me some alert, so maybe it's not. So I'll change it to Word document .x is the type that it stores it. I'll store it in the downloads, and look what happens if I upload a docx. It uploads it with no problem, but if I try to use it, first of all I see a different logo. I might get some kind of a warning. You see the documents are trying to open the template, would you like to open or edit? So actually the docx works better. Okay, so this is a summary. Try it and let me know what you think. If you like this channel, subscribe to it and watch my next videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.